Hi everyone, today I wanted to do a review on a product that I purchased from Amazon. Now, you know, in the days of 2020, I live in California, and everything was kind of shut down for a little bit here and there. You know, stuff would open up, shut down, open up. And then you've also got the COVID, the Rona. I miss getting my nails done. I miss getting gel nails. I miss going to the salon and somebody doing it for me, but that's just not a reality right now. I'm still pregnant. I can't expose myself. Even if they were open, I couldn't expose myself like that. So I found this product on Amazon. It is a gel polish kit. Show you the box. Awesome. It was about $50. It comes with the UV light. Oh, what you watching, Iris Lee? It comes with lots of polish. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 colors of gel polish. Gel polish. It comes with this little kit. It's got like your, let's see, nail clippers. It's got this little brush, a file, pretty much everything that you need to do your nails at home, this has. Do you know how long it's been since I've painted my own nails? It's been quite a while. So I decided to go with, come on now. I decided to go with more of a neutral skin tone color. Just in case I mess up, you won't be able to notice it that much. As far as equipment goes, I have a little bottle of alcohol, spray alcohol I'm going to use to clean my nails. I've got some acetone and a little bowl, the cutest little bowl. Q-tips for hard times, and this UV light. So I'll kind of show you guys in action what the UV light looks like, I guess. On the reviews, it was pink. So I've never seen a pink one. Every place I've ever gone to, it's been blue. So anyway, stay tuned. I hope I don't mess them up too much. I'm really excited to have my nails done. I wish my husband would do my toenails, but he's never painted nails. Y'all think I should trust him with that? You know, I got to go to the hospital and have a baby soon, and my toenails are not done. I need my husband to get with it. So I don't know. Wait, we'll see. We'll see. I'll try to convince him, and maybe he can practice a little on his own toenails or something. Okay, stay tuned. We're going to start off with the base coat. Before I apply this, I am going to spray my nails with a little bit of that rubbing alcohol that I talked about at the beginning of the video, and just kind of let it dry, and then I will spray, or actually I will paint with my base coat. Base coat is on, and now we're going to sit them in here for 60 seconds. Every polish is different. These polishes are to be cured for 60 seconds. This is what came with the kit. Now we're going to go in with our color. Top coat is done, or actually base coat is done on both hands. This is after 3 coats of the colored polish. Yeah, it's a little rough, but that's okay. And now we're going to do the top coat. Okay, finishing up the cure on the top coat. I might have to do it again. No, I don't. You know what? Just a little bit. Just a little bit more for good measure. Yeah, it totally worked. I just sprayed it with some alcohol and wiped it. Okay, that wasn't hard at all. The hardest part was just painting nails. You know, it's been so long for me. Some learning experiences, definitely. I would say do one hand before you even begin to start the other one. I cannot even begin to tell you how awesome this thing is and how glad I am that I bought it. Money well spent, totally worth it. I mean, $50. I hope it's still $50 on Amazon. I'll link it below, but Gel nails at home. All these colors. Oh my gosh, I might just, even after all this is over, I might just keep doing it at home. I'll get better and better at it, right? I mean, you would think. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'm really happy I got this. Like I said, if you want it, I'll link it below, and treat yourself.